Hello, my name is Rebecca, and I am a medical assistant here with Dr. Muddy. So you'll receive an email addressed as Telemedicine Meeting Invitation, and it'll be from the medical assistant email. And all you have to do is just follow the link. Use a computer or device with good internet. So you click on the link, and you put in the patient's name. A lot of parents put their names, but it's very important to put the patient's name of who we're going to be seeing. And you just check in. So Dr. Marin is available to see you, and you can do the pre-call test to check to make sure that everything is squared away before meeting with the doctor. And shall we start? Yes, please. All right. We'll play something. Click play. Can you hear the sound? Yes. Now it's going to check the webcam. This computer doesn't have one, so we'll say no. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can go ahead and message Dr. Marin right over here. Are you ready for my appointment? And Dr. Marin will see your message, and she'll write back